Welcome to Toy Noddle TV. Let's play and learn together. Frog lives near ponds and rivers and stays moist with its smooth, wet skin. Frog jumps far with its strong back legs to escape predators quickly. Frog starts life as a tadpole, growing legs and lungs as it becomes an adult. Walrus lives in icy Arctic waters, resting on floating ice and rocky shores. Walrus uses its long tusks to climb onto ice and to show strength to other walruses. Walrus has thick blubber that keeps it warm in freezing water. Jellyfish lives in oceans all around the world, drifting with the waves because it has no brain or bones. Jellyfish uses its long, wiggly tentacles to catch tiny fish and plankton as it floats by. Jellyfish can glow in the dark. Some species light up like underwater lanterns. Lobster crawls along the sea floor, hiding in rocky cracks and tunnels. Lobster uses its strong claws to grab food like fish, clams, and crabs. Lobster sheds its old shell and grows a new one when it gets too small. Tropical reef fish glide through coral caves, staying safe in their bright underwater homes. Tropical reef fish use their bold colors and patterns to hide, warn predators, or attract friends. Tropical reef fish nibble on algae, tiny shrimp, and coral bits to keep the reef healthy. Ringed octopus lives in shallow waters and hides under rocks and shells. Ringed octopus flashes its blue rings as a warning to predators to stay away. Ringed octopus hunts tiny crabs and shrimp using quick pounces. Narwhal lives in cold Arctic oceans near ice and snowy waters. Narwhal has a long spiral tusk that looks like a unicorn horn. Narwhal uses its tusk and senses to explore the dark ocean. Narwhal swims in small groups and dives deep to find food. Salamander lives in damp forests, near streams, ponds, and under rocks. Salamander is an amphibian that looks like a small lizard, but has smooth skin. Salamander breathes through its skin and lungs, so it needs moist places to survive. Salamander lives in wet, shady places near water. Duck lives near ponds, lakes, and rivers, swimming smoothly with its webbed feet. Duck has waterproof feathers, so water rolls right off like magic when it dives and splashes. Duck uses its flat bill to scoop up tiny plants, insects, and yummy snacks from the water. Clownfish lives in warm oceans, swimming safely among sea anemones. Clownfish has bright orange and white stripes that make it easy to spot. Clownfish is protected by anemones, which sting other fish but not it. Clownfish swims in small groups and stays close to its anemone home. Pufferfish fills its body with water or air to look too big for predators to eat. Pufferfish has tiny spikes that stand up when it puffs, making it extra tricky to bite. Pufferfish uses its little fins to swim slowly and explore coral reefs for food. Sea otter lives in cold coastal waters, especially near kelp forests where it finds shelter and food. Sea otter uses rocks as tools, cracking open clams and crabs on its belly like a tiny table. Sea otter has the thickest fur of any animal, keeping it warm even in freezing oceans. Baby crab lives near the shore, hiding under rocks and sand. Baby crab is very small and scurries quickly to stay safe. Baby crab uses tiny claws to pick up food and protect itself. Baby crab grows bigger over time by shedding its old shell. Colorful fish live in tropical coral reefs, where they dart between corals, rocks, and sea plants. Colorful fish come in amazing patterns, stripes, dots, neon colors, and even glowing scales. Axolotl lives in cool lakes in Mexico, hiding among plants and rocks underwater. Axolotl can regrow lost body parts, legs, tail, and even parts of its heart and brain. Axolotl keeps its pink feathery gills on the outside of its head, helping it breathe underwater. Humpback whale swims through cold and warm seas, migrating long distances each year. Humpback whale leaps out of the water in big splashes called breaches. Humpback whale eats tiny krill by gulping huge mouthfuls of water and filtering it out. Duckling lives near ponds and lakes with its mother. Duckling has soft yellow feathers and tiny webbed feet. Duckling loves swimming and following its mom everywhere. Duckling grows fast and learns to quack and swim on its own. Tiger shark lives in warm oceans and cruises near coasts and reefs. Tiger shark has dark stripes like a tiger when it is young. Tiger shark eats fish, turtles, and many other sea animals. Tiger shark swims mostly at night, using its strong senses to hunt. Whale shark swims in warm oceans and has white spots all over its huge body. Whale shark eats tiny plankton by opening its giant mouth and filtering the water. Whale shark moves slowly and calmly, making it safe for divers to swim near. Orca swims in cold and warm oceans, staying together in family groups called pods. Orca uses teamwork to hunt fish, seals, and even large whales. Orca communicates with clicks and whistles, each pod having its own language. Octopus lives in oceans around the world and loves hiding in rocks and coral. Octopus can change its color and texture to blend in and stay safe from predators. Octopus uses its arms to taste, feel, and grab food like crabs and small fish. Shark swims fast, using its strong tail to chase fish and explore the deep sea. Shark has rows of sharp teeth that keep growing back when they fall out. Shark uses its amazing sense of smell to find food from far away.